Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Mechanics Creeper is probably one of the most underrated tools in any garage. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, spending hours under a car can be tough on your body. A good creeper provides comfort and mobility, allowing you to easily access those hard-to-reach areas. In this video, we'll explore the top mechanics creepers on the market, helping you find the perfect one to make your next project a breeze. Number 5. Torin TRP 624040 Rolling Creeper. This rolling creeper is designed to make your garage work easier. It features a comfortable design and convenient tool storage. With dual-side storage trays, you can keep your tools within reach. This feature allows you to work efficiently without constantly getting up. The creeper's low profile and padded headrest provide comfort. It allows you to work on your vehicle for extended periods without strain. The shoulder recess helps relax your upper body. The padded headrest adds extra comfort while you work. Equipped with 6 360-degree swivel casters, it offers smooth movement. The bottom handle makes it easy to pick up and move around your workspace. This creeper comes with a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty. It provides peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This creeper has dual tool trays, perfect for keeping your tools within easy reach. It also features a padded headrest for added comfort during those long jobs. If you're working in a garage or shop and need a creeper that prioritizes convenience and comfort, you should consider this one. What people say. Smooth casters, a comfy padded headrest, and built-in tool trays keep everything within reach. This big red Torin creeper is sturdy, and with the large wheels it rolls and changes directions easily. I like the tool recesses on the sides. They allow you to keep up with smaller tools and bolts that somehow manage to disappear under you while working. Number 4. WINTOOLS 2-in-1 Foldable Creeper Seat. This versatile tool is designed to transform your work experience. It can be used as a mechanic seat or unfolded for use as a creeper, offering flexibility for various tasks. The unique Z-shaped design allows it to be easily folded and unfolded. This feature makes it convenient for storage and adaptable to different workspace needs. It features a thick padded bed, ensuring comfort during long hours of work. The solid steel frame guarantees durability, supporting up to 300 pounds. Equipped with 6 rolling wheels, it allows you to move effortlessly in tight spaces. This feature enhances efficiency and reduces strain while working. The product is built to last, with a robust steel frame and comfortable cushions. This combination ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use in a garage or workshop. What we like. This creeper can be used as a mechanic seat or a creeper. It's foldable, making it easy to store when not in use. If you are looking for a versatile option that can adapt to different tasks and space constraints, you should consider this one. What people say. Much sturdier than the molded plastic creepers, did not have instructions, but if you're a mechanic you can easily figure this out. When we received this, we were really surprised as the quality of the creeper for the cost. It was pretty simple to assemble, less than 15 minutes, and all needed tools came with the creeper. What I like most about this is that I can use it to roll under the car to change my oil, or as a work stool, pictured. This stool has 2 settings, unlike many creepers which are only for going under the car. Comfortable creeper. Conversion to seat is very useful, practical, way more than I thought. Number 3. ProLift Seat 2036D Gray 36C Creeper Seat. This versatile tool easily converts from a creeper to a seat. It provides the flexibility you need for various maintenance tasks. This feature makes it a convenient choice for any workspace. The thick, padded cushions offer a comfortable base. This design allows for easy access and movement. You'll appreciate the comfort during those longer jobs. It features 6 swivel casters for effortless maneuverability. This allows you to move around your workspace with ease. It's designed to make your work more efficient. The seat and headrest are padded with vinyl. This provides added comfort and support. It's a thoughtful design for extended use. It can handle up to 300 pounds. This ensures it's suitable for a wide range of users. It's built to be both durable and reliable. Easily change the seat position with the retractable pin. This allows for quick adjustments to suit your needs. It's a simple yet effective feature. What we like. This creeper easily converts from a creeper to a seat, offering flexibility for various maintenance tasks. It has thick padded cushions for comfort and 6 swivel casters for easy maneuverability. If you need a comfortable and adaptable option for your maintenance work, you should consider this one. What people say. It seems sturdy and well made. It functions as advertised. Easy to assemble and to use. The ability to change from prone to seating position easily. Number 2. Omega 91900 Plastic Creeper. This creeper is made from durable HDPE plastic. It's lightweight yet strong, providing extra comfort while you work. With a 300-pound capacity, this creeper is designed to fit most users comfortably. It's 36 inches long and 16 inches wide. It features 6 multi-terrain swivel casters. These industrial-strength casters are oil, chemical, and grease-resistant, offering excellent maneuverability. The creeper features an ergonomic design with a padded headrest. 2 molded-in tool trays offer ease of working while laying down. This creeper is designed with a universal fit. It's perfect for a variety of users and tasks. What we like. This creeper is lightweight and made of HDPE plastic, making it easy to move around. It features an ergonomic design with a padded headrest for comfort, and oil-resistant casters. If you are looking for a lightweight and comfortable creeper, you should consider this one. What people say. It's sturdy and comfortable, lightweight and comes with a handle in the frame for easy transporting. It came out of the box already assembled and ready to use, which was unexpected, but a nice surprise. The cushion for your head and contour for the shoulders and back make this creeper very comfortable to lay on while working on vehicles. It rolls smoothly as well. Number 1. GEARWRENCH 41 Mechanics Creeper, 86995. This is the GEARWRENCH Mechanics Creeper. It's designed to make your work more comfortable. This creeper will help you get the job done. The creeper features a super durable reinforced EVA back and headrest. This provides excellent support and comfort. You'll be able to work for hours without getting tired. It includes 6 3-inch TPC ball bearing casters. These casters reduce vibration, providing a smooth ride. This allows you to move around easily. The creeper comes with magnetic trays. These trays are perfect for keeping your tools organized and within reach. It helps you stay efficient while working. This creeper has a 300-pound capacity. It's built to handle a variety of users. It's a reliable tool for any mechanic. What we like. This creeper features a reinforced EVA back and headrest for extra durability. It also includes 3-inch casters for smooth movement. If you are looking for a creeper with a focus on durability and smooth movement, you should consider this one. What people say. The padding for your back and your head is very firm and is not thick soft padding, but is still decently comfortable. The metal plates that mount in the top corners are a nice addition for anything with a magnetic base along with the magnetic pockets on each side. The casters roll like a dream. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.